If you want to learn how to make piping for your miniatures or dolls, please continue watching to see my method. Welcome back, family, friends, and fans. It is Karma Lately. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We're going to start with a little strip of stretch velvet and yarn, and we are just going to place the yarn. Well, first we're going to measure. I like to make it a little bit longer than the fabric that I'm using. And we're going to go ahead and turn it around so that the fabric is wrong side facing up, and put the yarn strip right in the middle. Let's fasten it with clips or pins, whatever it is that you guys want to use. This is all personal preference. You should use the zipper presser foot, as it's going to make it very easy, a lot easier for you to get closer to the yarn. As you can see, the tip of the presser foot is right alongside the yarn, making it easy for me to get as close as possible, which you can't do with the other presser foots or with the other presser feet. And that is your piping. Now you can use this on any fabric that you like. I was doing this for another project, so I got quite a few strips that I made. And then you have to learn how to join them, which I can do in another video. For your dolls, using cording or rope would be too bulky for that scale. And so I chose to use this yarn for the 1 inch equals 6 inches scale, which is the Barbie scale or the play scale. And as you can see, it came out really nice, I think. And now you can use this for cushions, pillows, clothing, sofas. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.